It's appointed unto man once to die, and after that, judgment. What's wrong? Since we left your father's house, you've been moody. You've just been unhappy. I kept on asking you in the car, you wouldn't tell me. What's the problem?
Why did you lie to my father?
Excuse me? Me? Lie to your father? How?
You're welcome, Tom.
Thank you, sir.
My daughter has told me a lot of good things about you, but she never said where you're from.
Okay, I'm from Leru Autonomous Community.
Leru Autonomous Community?
Yes, sir. In Umunochi, local government area of Abia State.
Okay, that's good. You're welcome.
You told me you're from Okigwe in Imo State. So how does that make sense?
Well, now you know. I'm from Leru Umucheze.
Hold on. So you lied to me?
Come on, sweetheart. I can't lie to you. You're going to be my wife. I love you so much. I can't lie to you. Listen, I always tell people that I'm from Okigwe. And that's because Okigwe and my place there are very close. A stone throw from my place. Just once you come out, a few seconds, you just get into Okigwe.
Namdi, Abia State and Imo State are not the same thing. Besides, why would you even lie to your proposed wife? I mean, we are getting married soon and you're lying to me.
Can you just slow down? Slow down. You're making a mountain out of a molehill. Slow down, for God's sake. At least now you know where I'm from. You've been with me for a while. You know me. I don't lie. Just slow down. Besides, I apologize. Slow down.
Going to go see your people next tomorrow?
Next tomorrow? No, I don't think that will work. I'm supposed to have a very important meeting with my business partners in 2 days. After that, I'll be busy the whole week, so we'll just reschedule for next 2 weeks. Okay.
What is going on?
What do you mean, what's going on?
Namdi, what are you hiding?
What am I hiding? What are you talking about?
Then why don't you want me to go see your people?
What are you talking about? But I just said you will see them in 2 weeks.
Namdi, for Christ's sake, this is what you've been saying for 3 months now. Every time we schedule an appointment to go see your people, you come up with some emergency meeting from nowhere. What is really going on?
If you don't want me to eat this food, just let me know. I'll finally walk away. Can I have some peace? Come out. What's wrong with you? Huh? Didn't you hear the horn of my car? I've been horning now. What's wrong with you?
Okay, I hear them. In one hand, if you drink waiting, I drink, Baba, you no go come on.
Okay, open the gate for me.
So person go use his hand dig grave for himself. Huh? What they do this guy missing now? Now on my own I just did jejely. Carry me, you could go miss with Pame, drink this early morning. Now my belly and my tester know they even cooperate with my womb. Die!
Jesus!
What?
Are you not Amana's brother? Jesus!
Take him on.
Jesus! Hey! Hey! I am a him. My eyes have seen my ears.
Reka, what is it?
Hey!
Reka, what is it? What happened?
I am a him.
What happened? Talk to me now. What happened now? Again. Thank you.
How long have you been working here?
now we dig foundation for 7 months, man. 3 years and 7 months. No, madam. No. I don't work here for 3 years and 7 months.
Since you've been working here, has any member of your Oga family come to visit him? I mean, has anybody come looking for him, saying they're a member of his family or something?
Has any member of my Oga family come to look for him? Yes. No.
Which one? Yes or no?
Not them. See, let me tell you, madam. All my life, as you see me so, I get ID card for security. For all the compound when I don't work, 5 compound now I don't do security for. For this life, I go just there, person go not forget. You go say, you go just there, you go even hear say, I be your guy papa, or I be your guy mama, or I be your guy brother, or I be your guy sister, or cousin and nephew niece them. But this compound, I don't dey here for 3 years and 7 months. Nobody don't come here. In fact, my oga sef never even for once tell me saying they go village. 31st December, my oga go dey act for here like say na 31st April. You know they go December. Or my hair we travel. I never even dey here. Somebody come knock say, Madam, oga mama, no. Oga papa, no. Oga sister, no. Oga brother, no. Oga cousin, no. Oga nephew, no. Oga niece, no. Proudly I can tell you that Oga is one mama po. Maybe them and let me they been the talk before.
I see.
I see too, madam. The way you see I'm now, I just see it.
She keeps demanding to see my people, and it's getting serious. I don't know what to do. I don't want to lose her. I love her. I want to marry her.
And fabricate another story.
Come on.
Tell her no. If the stories you told her previously has inspired, then tell another one.
I can't do that. For how long? How long will I keep telling her stories? You don't even understand. I love her. I want to make her my wife. I can't keep lying to her.
Then go ahead and tell her the truth.
The truth?
Yes. If she truly loves you, then she will stay back.
Obiora, I can't tell her the truth. I just can't. I have this feeling that once she gets to know the truth, she will leave me. And considering what I've gone through in the past, my relationship with Rita and Janet, how it all ended, I can't. I'll just die.
So, what do you want to do now?
Hang on. Look. I'll tell her the truth. But not now. After our wedding.
That sounds very ridiculous.
What do you want me to do? I believe that, after the wedding, she gets to know the truth. She's kind of stuck with me. She won't want to leave.
I don't think that is a good idea.
That's what my spirit is telling me to do. And my spirit never lies to me. The big challenge right now is, how do I handle the marriage rights? Because our father will want to see my people. What do I do?
Oh yes, that is another big challenge.
I don't know what to do. Honestly. Just wondering. I just keep thinking, what could be going on in her mind, What will she be thinking is my reason for not wanting her to see my people? I know she'll have a lot of crazy thoughts in her head right now.
Oh yeah, women. You'll be shocked at what's going on in her mind right now. She might be thinking, you're a ghost.
A ghost?
Of course.
With flesh and blood.
My friend, we have lots of ghosts moving around with flesh and blood.
Really?
Haven't you heard of people dying in one city and then moving to another city and leaving people just like normal human beings do?
Have you seen anyone like that before?
Well, I've not seen one, but I've heard stories and I'm sure those things happen. They're real.
Are you a ghost digger?
Oh, come on. Why would you say that?
Look, I don't believe all these things. Total crap. The Bible says that it's appointed unto man to die once. And after that, judgment, okay? All these superstitious stories about dying and waking up somewhere. Total crap. I don't believe all that. It's all over. Get it, man.
Well, that's by the way. Back to the main issue on ground. Your marriage. I think I have an idea.
Okay. Tell me.
Where is the groom?
Nnamdi! 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 This is no longer ordinary. Something is seriously wrong somewhere. There is something sinister about him. I think the best thing for me right now is to just quit this relationship. Yes. Leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Done. Done.
kind of nonsense with this one now? Eh? What did this woman they feel for this house? They feel for this house. She don't look by size begin give me this kind of food to chop. Eh? How person go to chop food still they get us on top? Mama ya chere mra ise ka ya chika okutata na akuku ite. Eh? Lekwa for nnam.
What am I gonna do now?
Every time person gonna give me food like say I be bad when they feed food. I beg you, may you watch my weight for me. No be your weight, now my weight. I'm okay with my weight. Why do they complain about my weight? Weight now my weight. What is your weight here? Huh? See meat. Oh, they are no. I'm still yet of water. My tomato haba. When I am mad here, no. The man honor rice. Who wants stew? Make I drink stew. Somebody go do it to your children in future. As you there now, one of your pikin will resemble me, and somebody will watch your child's weight for him.
Are you ready now? Can you see?
My father called me today.
Okay.
He said he wants me to come home. There is something very important he wants to show me.
And what's that?
I don't know. That's why he said I should come.
Okay, cool.
Okay. So I'll be going there tomorrow. Okay.
So when will you be back?
Well, I don't know. But if what he's showing me is not something that will take time, then I should be back tomorrow. Maybe next tomorrow.
Deeper and deeper. It's getting crazy. Gabazie Makani Mekazie Ihuru just singing about yeah I sing it Jabazie Nuwe I sing it Nabazie Makani Nakazie oh la 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 all's gone away oh la 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 oh la 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 wa la 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 Okwana machu wa jaji onada kasi Anemene numenana onaye kasi. All's gone away. Nagaranya mirihanepe. Nagara kwarere hanakwa. Hanakwa. Yeah. All's gone away. All the done away. All the done away. If I wanna man, yeah, all the Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio. Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio. Abufumu wanata, Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio, Olembo gebio. Iya yamiri, oh, walelele, 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 lelele, walelele. Imana sirike. Have you ever been left all alone? Left to find the way, and you don't even know who you are. Trying to find yourself. Too many questions on my mind. What am I to do now that a dead can't talk? Who am I to ask? I'm living through you. So don't let me die.
I'm almost set to leave.
Go with the box. That means you'll be spending some days there.
Not really. You know, I always give out clothes whenever I go to the village, so I have some clothes I want to dash out to the villagers.
Okay. Okay. Day after tomorrow, I'll be coming to see your father with my people, so we can commence the marriage rites.
That's fine. But babes, why are you just telling me this now?
What has to be done has to be done. I can't keep delaying. I love you very much. I can't wait to make you my wife. It just has to be done. So I'll let my people know.
Okay. Well, I will tell my dad when I get home.
Have you ever been left all alone? Left to find the way.
are you?
I'm fine. You came back.
I came back. So how is Mama?
She's been sick, but she's getting better.
Oh, she's been sick?
Yes.
Well, so sorry about that, but thank God she's getting better.
Yes,
I can see you're heading to the market.
Yes, I am.
I will come to the house tomorrow. There is something I want to discuss with you.
Okay. I hope all is well.
All is well, all is well, all is well.
Okay. See you come.
Alright,
Alright,
Alright, alright then.
There is no way I am marrying a man I know absolutely nothing about his people. Everything about this man is strange. Daddy, to crown it all, whenever I dream about him, I see him as a dead person. I'm scared.
So what happens to the child you said you have in your womb?
I'm thinking of getting rid of it.
What? What did I just hear you say? Grace, who taught you that? Have you lost your mind? Huh? What has gone wrong with your conscience? I'm disappointed.
Daddy, I am sorry. But I don't know what else to do. I don't even know why I allowed myself to get pregnant for him in the first place.
I don't know what you are talking about. All I know is that if that young man is responsible for that pregnancy, you have no choice than to marry him. And that's final.
He has a deadly skeleton in his cupboard.
No, he has no skeleton in his cupboard. He is a good man. I see no evil in him.
But my daughter says she has been having constant nightmares about him.
Nightmares. evil in him. I can't lie to you. This young man is your daughter's destined husband. And from what I can see, she is already pregnant for him.
Yes, she is, Odogu.
Everything she sees in her dream about this young man is not real. Not real.
Thank you, great one. I will be on my way.
How are you?
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine. I was even hoping to come see you later in the day in your house. But thank God you're here.
I hope all is well.
All is well. Thank God, all is well. Nne. Honestly, with this thing I want to say, even me myself, I am very, very confused.
Oni, there is something you want to say, but you're confused. Adiko, I'm safe.
No, you are safe. Let me ask you. Have you heard about the myth of someone dying and the spirit or whatever living like a normal human being somewhere else? Have you?
Well, I think I've had something like that. But I don't believe in those stories. Why do you ask?
Nah. With what my eyes saw, the truth is, I saw someone that looks exactly like your brother in the city.
My brother? Who is my brother?
Your late brother, Uchenna, of course.
What sort of joke is that?
This is not a joke. It is not a joke. I saw him with my 2 eyes. He even bought water from me and immediately I mentioned his name. He zoomed off. Honestly, I was confused. And I'm still confused. Don't believe me?
Akwambocha sengi kewa Ihisika sengi kabao
Tell me what I saw. I saw him in the city.
Asengi kabasie Makani mekasiye Ihuru jasengi naba Yeah Asengi jabasie nuwe Asengi nabasiye Makani nakasiye
I'm telling you the truth.
La 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 all's gone away. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. Oh, la 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 la. Wana majua jaji, another cousin. All's gonna work.
That's the main house.
Nnamdi. 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 Somebody help! Help!
Diogo. None. Moga good, Satan good, that's good. See, of all the compound where they work, now be the best Oga inside the Ogas when I don't get. See, madam, as I even say, Moga better pass you. Sorry, the way I talk. See, any woman with Moga married for this time, any woman with Moga.
That's enough. Okay, thank you very much. Just gonna carry your food in the kitchen, okay?
No problem. Hey, madam, one more thing. You see Moga? Any day when you see when you begin bend down, they do like person when you propose. You first and kneel down propose for him. Morgan a good person. You go, if you marry him, now you go enjoy him.
Thank you very much. I've heard you.
Okay, mention it.
Carry your food.
Madam, one more thing. You see, Morgan na good person. You na good person. If Morgan as a good person marry you, won't be good person. That means una na good persons, family. Good home, good stuff.
Please, thank you, Thank you. Just go and carry your food, okay? Go and eat. Thank you very much.
God, I'm scared. I'm so scared.
Ndiogo, Mamanu, Rienu, Nwanu, Zonu. Odebu.
Dalon. Oh, jeze naka.
Hey.
Namubu. Okay, can play it better. Olisa nke pụrụ ime ihe niile. Anyị na-eche ọjị a n'ihu gị. Anyị na-asị gị ka ị nara mbuli elu ihe niile nke anyị ga-eme. Ka ọ ga-abụ ka ị gọziela anyị ọjị a. Anyị taa ya ka anyị tata ndụ, tata ịhụnanya, tata ịdị n'otu. Ije ndị ọgọ anyị ji wee bata n'ebe a ga-abụ ije ọma. Ihe ha na-achọ ka ha ga-enweta. Ha nabazia, ha ga-ejikwa ụkwụ ha ji wee bịa n'ego na wee na n'udo. N'aha Jizọs Kraịst bụ onye nwe anyị.
Nke a bụ ọjị ilu ụlọ. Chief, my name is Ipo. The young man sitting beside me, by name Nnamdi, is my nephew, my late brother's son.
The other 2 men are my kinsmen. We came all the way from Abia State. Because my nephew here told us that he saw a flower, a very beautiful flower in your house. That is why we are here, to know what we should do, so that my nephew can go with that beautiful flower his heart desires.
You are welcome. Thank you. Well, I have 2 of such beautiful flowers in my house. So you need to be more explicit so that I will know which of the flowers you're referring to.
Grace.
Grace. Adako. 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 Do you know that young man seated beside you?
Yes, Daddy, I know him.
He came with his uncle and his kinsmen to ask for your hand in marriage. So I asked them to be patient. Let me send for you. Because you are the only authority that can give consent to the marriage. So I'm asking you now before them. Do you want to marry him?
Your groom is here.
Come here. I just asked you to come in and follow me. Sit down. Sit down here. Sit down. What is you? Taste the food you gave to me. Eat it.
I won't mark him.
Eat.
I'm not good with rice.
I said eat.
Okay, eat up in the morning.
Ngakwa is you. Eat. Taste it, go on. Eat.
Okay, sir. Can I eat bread and donuts?
Eat. Open your mouth. Open.